primary flight controls are the ailerons, rudder, and elevator. Ailerons control roll about the airplane's longitudinal axis, which runs through the nose and tail. The ailerons are attached to the outboard trailing edge of each wing and move in opposite directions from each other. The rudder controls movement of the airplane about its vertical axis, which runs through the top and bottom of the airplane. This motion is referred to as yaw. Elevator controls pitch about the lateral axis, which runs through the wing tips. In most small airplanes, the ailerons, rudder, and elevators are connected to the airplane's control wheels mechanically through cables and pulleys. Secondary flight controls include flaps and trim. Flaps extend from the lower surface of the wings, increasing lift and drag. There are 4 common flap types: plane, which simply angles downward on a hinge; split flaps, which increase lift and drag more than plane flaps; slotted flaps, which increase lift a great deal more than plane or split flaps by allowing high pressure air from below up and over the flaps; and Fowler flaps, a type of slotted flap which extends rearward and downward. Trim consists of a small tab attached to the primary flight control by a hinge. Airplanes have roll trim, rudder trim, and/or elevator trim. As the airplane is flown at different speeds and configurations, it will tend to pitch, roll, or yaw, requiring the pilot to place a continuous force on the controls in order to keep the airplane in the desired orientation. By using trim, the pilot is able to relieve these flight control pressures, which reduces workload.